What's going on, everybody? We are back with TradeUI, showing you how you can use their tools to give yourself a trading edge. In this video, we're going to talk about the chip dip and see if it's a great opportunity to make one last leg up in the market before we don't know what's going to happen. Before we do that, don't go ahead and forget to like this video, share it, and subscribe. Helps us grow this channel and give us good content to make us better traders. And if you want to trade with us in real time, don't forget to join our Discord. The link is in the description below. You can chat with us to understand how we use TradeUI's tools in ways you may not know how. So, one thing I want to talk about before we get into it is I want to show you exactly what's going on option flow for TradeUI right now. So if I go over to TradeUI's website, click that link in the description below, take you to TradeUI's site, and you can try it for yourself. I want to look at some activity that's going on here. So I set this criteria up for any large trades that are out the money with 30 days to expiration. And when I see a bunch of these stack up on top of each other, that tells me, hey, there's a good opportunity showing up. So one thing I saw today is I saw a lot of NVIDIA coming up after I set this criteria. So if I go to NVIDIA, NVDA, and I do that, it's going to show me all the option activity that came in for NVIDIA. And we have one for nearly $1 million right here, which is super bullish. So understand, a lot of this is not that bullish. It's only 1 to 2%. We have a 13% move here. Looks like 3% right here. However, this does give us a market direction for NVIDIA, which is bullish in the short term. Looks like 3 days till expiration, 9 days till expiration. This means that people are bullish on NVIDIA this week. And if you look at what happened over here on the charts, we are going to type in NVDA. And as you can see, NVIDIA is starting to consolidate a little bit. Looks like we consolidated off of this major support zone right here and bounced right off of that and have been running hard. We ran 1% today. Looks like we're setting up to break out of this bull flag setup to touch that 950 to 1,000 mark. So in all aspects, they might be buying things only 1% away from the money. However, they could be betting that's going farther than 1%. You could see a move here from 900 all the way up to 1,000. That's a 10% move on this stock that you could see in the next few days. NVIDIA has been doing nothing but going up, so it wouldn't shock me if we continued with that momentum. We are also in a very heavy buy-sell situation right here. So the fact that we saw all this option flow tells me buyers are trying to take over, and we can see some awesome activity come in for NVIDIA. So if you look real close right here, we had 500 calls, 186 puts. If we go to chain view and I do NVIDIA, NVDA, looks like we have a lot of activity for, oh, that's not right. Let's see, there we go. If I go right here, we have a lot of activity for NVIDIA on the bull side, targeting that 900 mark, 920 mark. If I do 9 DTE, 900 mark for a heads position, 17 days till expiration, a little choppy here and there. 24 days, a lot of bullish activity for 900. So everybody's been preaching 900, and it's just that simple to find things like that. All we got to do is set up our criteria on TradeUI's option flow, which is right here, and understand that, hey, if you can find short-term swings like this, you can see your account grow. So everything at the Fed meeting could have caused some issues today. We'll see maybe a little sell-off tomorrow. Long term, especially for this week, it looks like people are bullish on NVIDIA to keep on going. So take advantage, guys. Buy that chip dip. All right, we're going to end the video here. Bye.